and Danica from Primary 6G of Mantra Primary School. We are here to give you a presentation about the naked moret.
Behold, the rare, mysterious, curious, cute, and also sexy naked moret. This creature is native to the central region of East Africa.
It's naked.
Clusters averaging from 75 to 80 individuals live together in complex systems of burrows in arid African deserts. The tunnel system built by naked morets can stretch up to 3 to 5 kilometers in cumulative length.
These animals are widespread and numerous in the drier regions of East Africa, so don't worry that there are still a lot of these little fellas out there. Colonies range from about 20 to 300 individuals with an average of 75.
These little hairless rodents live in pitch black, oxygen-scarce burrows some 6 feet underground in their natural habitat. Mom is the biggest and the queen. She gives birth 4 to 5 times a year, about 20 at a time. Naked morets are born naked as it gets very hot in the East African desert. It gets cold in the desert night, so they huddle up at each other to keep one another warm.
Naked morets are almost blind and their eyes are quite useless in their dark underground home. They have sensitive whiskers to find their way around. Royal pythons of the naked moret. They sometimes live in the underground burrows of the naked moret. At night, sensing their body heat with sensory pits on the upper lip, royal pythons hunt and feed on the naked moret.
Naked morets can live for over 28 years, which is much longer than the average rat, which is usual for small rodents. We start at 28 years, which is unusual for small rodents. Scientists are trying to unlock the secrets to a long, healthy life. Naked morets are able to remove damaged protein to prevent toxic buildup. Their low metabolic rate may also help to slow down aging. Naked morets are cancer-proof. That is awesome. Why can't we do that? They have a gene to prevent cancer-causing cell mutation. Their brain cells can survive without oxygen for 13 minutes. Even after a stroke, when brain cells die after 5 minutes of oxygen deprivation, these creatures are also immune to pain.
The naked morets dig tunnels and chambers by chewing through the soil. Their powerful jaws and teeth are strong enough to gnaw through concrete. Their sensitive whiskers to navigate them in the dark. They have a keen sense of smell. Their feet act like brooms to sweep the soil. They have good hearing and they have tiny eyes since it is not structured colonies like those of bees and ants. There may be as much as 300 members in one colony. The queen, the largest and the only one to breed. She can produce over 1,000 babies within her lifespan of over 20 years. Her urine contains chemicals called pheromones that keep other females sterile. There are special males and only a few chosen males are able to mate with the queen. Soldiers patrol tunnels for predators and intruders. Workers dig and repair tunnels, forage for food, gather nesting materials, and care for the pack.
Big as 6 football fields.
Whoa!
Awesome.
Air in the tunnel is very low in oxygen and high in carbon dioxide. Naked morets have low metabolic rate and need very little oxygen to survive. Their blood is also very efficient in soaking up oxygen. Naked morets eat their poop, which contains bacteria to help digest fibrous roots and tubers. Okay. Friend or foe. One way to tell a friend from a foe in the dark is through smell. Naked morets roll in poop and pee in a common toilet chamber.
Ew.
Everyone smells
Like
the
poop.
same. Intruders are sniffed out and attacked.
An eating mammal that lives in the African desert.
I hope you enjoy our video now.
And here is the whatever of a gigantic moray.